Question number 1. In which year was Elon Musk born? Question number 2. As of 2024, how old is Elon Musk? Question number 3. In which country was Elon Musk born? Question number 4. At what age did Elon Musk create and sell his first video game? Question number 5. Which university did Elon Musk attend before dropping out to pursue his entrepreneurial dreams? Question number 6. Why did Elon Musk leave South Africa in 1988? Question number 7. Musk sold his first computer program for. Question number 8. Which university did Elon Musk attend to avoid military service in South Africa? Question number 9. What degree did Elon Musk earn from the University of Pennsylvania? Question number 10. Why did Elon Musk drop out of Stanford University after only 2 days? Question number 11. What was the name of the company Elon Musk co-founded that eventually became PayPal? Question number 12. Which company did Elon Musk co-found in 2002, focused on space exploration? Question number 13. Elon Musk joined Tesla Motors in 2004. What role did he initially take on? Question number 14. Which of the following is one of Elon Musk's companies focused on solar energy? Question number 15. What product is Tesla Motors' first electric vehicle? Question number 16. Which online auction site purchased PayPal in 2002, providing Elon Musk with a substantial amount of wealth? Question number 17. Which technology did Musk's company SpaceX develop for NASA and the US Air Force? Question number 18. What was the name of the first successful rocket developed by SpaceX? Question number 19. How many internships did Elon Musk have in Silicon Valley? Question number 20. Which of the following goals is Elon Musk known for pursuing with SpaceX? Question number 21. What is Elon's full name? Question number 22. In 1999, which company purchased Zip2, the first company co-founded by Elon Musk? Question number 23. What was Elon Musk's role in the founding of OpenAI? Question number 24. Which year did SpaceX successfully launch and land the Falcon 9 rocket for the first time? Question number 25. What is Elon Musk's height? Question number 26. How many children does Elon Musk have? Question number 27. What was the name of Elon Musk's first child who tragically passed away? Question number 28. Elon Musk was heavily influential in which fictional character's portrayal in movies? Question number 29. What unemployment policy does Elon Musk have at Tesla regarding his salary? Question number 30. Which video game did Elon Musk create and sell at the age of 12? Question number 31. When did Elon Musk become an American citizen? Question number 32. Where did Elon Musk immigrate to after leaving South Africa? Question number 33. Which of Elon Musk's companies is known for developing the Hyperloop concept? Question number 34. What was Elon Musk's father's profession? Question number 35. What was Elon Musk's PhD program in? Question number 36. Where was Elon Musk born? Question number 37. How many siblings does Elon Musk have?